Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skin on Real, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you're subscribed. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So the other day I did a post on Jade Roller on my Instagram account, and that made me realize that there's a lot of confusion that exists regarding this beauty trend. So in today's video, I'll be talking about all things jade/rose quartz rolling. Starting with what exactly are jade rollers and the science behind it. To put it simply, jade is a healing crystal, and the facial rollers that are formulated using jade are called jade rollers. They usually consist of two ends, one large oval shaped end for larger areas of your face like cheeks, foreheads and chins, and a small oval shaped end for smaller areas of your face like eyes, under eyes and nose. Usually crystals like jade and rose quartz is used for formulating these crystal facial rollers because they are very healing and calming stone. However, rose quartz is also a piezoelectric material, which means that it has the ability to carry small charge to awaken your skin. Yes, indeed, rose quartz is a piezoelectric material which has piezoelectric effect, but how effective that is in terms of skincare, I'm really not sure, because I was not able to find any substantial evidence to back it up. But it's a new piece of information, so I thought I should share it with you guys. Now moving on, let me answer the next question, that is, do these jade rollers actually work? Well, to be honest, it really depends upon your goals. If you think that the jade roller can take care of all your skin concerns from acne to wrinkles, then I'm sorry, you will be disappointed. However, jade roller initiates lymphatic drainage in your skin and temporarily improves the appearance of puffiness. Now, before we move forward, let me explain briefly what lymphatic drainage is. So there are lymph nodes present across our body, and they drain lymphatic fluid to be transported back into the system. These lymph nodes also remove toxins from our body, along with protecting it from viruses by carrying white blood cells. However, sometimes there is an obstruction in lymphatic system, and then these fluids start to get accumulated in the certain areas of our body. And certain areas of our face, especially the area around your eyes and your cheeks, can get puffy due to the lymphatic fluid being collected. This is where a good jade roller facial massage can drain out your lymphatic fluids and send it back to your cardiovascular system, therefore giving you a touter face. Another way these facial rollers work is to reduce facial muscle tension. Our life is actually like a roller coaster ride, anything but calm. And just like we cling to tiny bars on the roller coasters in response to anxiety, similarly in real life we tend to hold a lot of tension in the certain areas of our body. And unfortunately, the face tops the list, as we hold a lot of tension on our forehead and near our jawline. This tendency to hold tension in the certain areas of our face also increases our chance of getting wrinkles during the later years of our life. So a good facial roller massage is not only very relaxing, but also helps loosen all the tension and pressure that our facial muscle tends to hold. So how do we use a jade roller? The main technique is that you always start from the center of your face and then roll outwards towards your lymph nodes to initiate lymphatic drainage. Okay, now I'll shut up and you can watch my mini clip where I have touched upon briefly on the techniques of jade rolling. So what are my final thoughts on these Instagrammable facial rollers? Well, if you ask me, jade rollers are not magic rollers, and they are not going to help you get rid of your frown lines and wrinkles. And also they don't have enough scientific data backing that up. But jade rollers are a very relaxing tool, and I do agree that they feel very calming and soothing on your skin. And also there's no harm in using one. So honestly, if you own a jade roller and you enjoy using it, please continue doing so. Having said that, I still prefer my fingers to massage my face over jade rollers, and honestly, jade roller is not a necessity in your skincare routine, it's more of a want. So comment below your thoughts on jade rolling. Tell me, do you agree with me or do you disagree? Because I'm always open for healthy discussion. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.